The CS-590 Timberwolf is built for the large landowner, farmer, rancher, firewood cutter, and homeowner. It's the new standard for tough and is one of the most powerful farm and ranch saws on the market. It features a rugged 59.8cc professional-grade two-stroke engine and is available in 18 or 20-inch bar lengths. The decompression valve and the digital ignition system provide for easier starting. The translucent fuel tank makes fuel level checks quick and easy. The G-Force engine air pre-cleaner pulls dirt and debris out of the airbox, allowing for longer intervals between air filter maintenance. The easy access two-piece air filter offers greater surface area for maximum air filtration and easy cleaning. The steel spring-style vibration reduction system reduces vibration felt by the operator. All these features are standard, and each CS-590 Timberwolf is backed by a 5-year consumer warranty and a 1-year commercial warranty. For more features and longer bar lengths, check out the Echo CS-600P.